Bumblebees in Cities. Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about bumblebees and how they are affected by urbanization. Before we start, we should go over what evolution means. Evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms are thought to have developed and diversified from earlier forms during the history of the Earth. Bumblebees had to evolve when their habitats started to be urbanized. What the article is about. The article explains the worries about the decline of pollinators and the potential loss of pollination services. This would cause an annual loss of about $165 billion. Bumblebees help the process of pollination, making them crucial to our ecosystem. Cities cover most of the bumblebees' habitats with concrete. This leaves the cities with only gardens, parks, and meadows for the bumblebees' new habitat. The increasing amount of concrete in the bumblebee's natural habitat is negatively affecting pollination. Setting up the experiment. The study site was Lüneburg, Germany. 15 study plots were chosen. They were 1 kilometer between 2 adjacent plots. 5 were located in suburban areas, 5 in city centers, and 5 in between, which were defined as urban areas. The plants at each site were identified before the monitoring of the bumblebee population. There were 255 different plant species identified. Monitoring the bumblebees. The study sites were surveyed once per month between 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. for 30 minutes. The monitoring would take place on non-rainy days with temperatures above 15 degrees Celsius. The amount of bumblebees that visited the sites were documented. Their goal was to investigate bumblebees' distribution in Lüneburg, Germany in relation to urbanization, concrete, and flower abundance. Data collected. Out of 699 bumblebees cited, 54.5% were found in urban areas, 29.8% were found in suburban areas, and 15.7% were found in city centers. Out of the 255 plant species documented, only 86 plant species were visited by the bumblebees. What kind of plants do bumblebees like? The bumblebees visited these 2 flowers most often. Findings. In August, there was one day where the amount of bumblebees found was higher than they had seen previously in the city centers. This shows the bumblebees can forage on very isolated patches. As the distance towards the city centers increased, the amount of different plant species decreased. As plant species diversity decreased, the results confirmed a negative effect of urbanization on plant species diversity and thus bumblebees. Possible solutions. As human beings, we can do many things to help the bumblebees. We can plant more of the plants the bumblebees tend to visit. This will ensure that the bumblebee population will increase since they are drawn to a certain kind of plants. We can also add more gardens, parks, and meadows to the city centers. This will allow more access for the bumblebees in city centers. Lastly, we can stop the use of chemical and pesticides in our own gardens. This will allow the population of bumblebees themselves to increase. Thank you all for watching.